In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Vanguard to Fidelity. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Fidelity like you normally would and make sure you log in. Afterwards, please go to the bottom menu and select over here where it says link an external account. Then it is going to open up a menu that looks like this where you're able to go ahead and find your bank account. So what you're able to do is you're able to go ahead and select on Vanguard from this list over here, or you can do the search bar and type in Vanguard manually. Either one will get the job done. But you just want to go ahead and select on Vanguard just like so. And now what it's going to do, it is going to go ahead and take you to the Vanguard website where you're able to enter in your credentials. And then it is going to redirect you back to a page where you're able to go ahead and give confirmation that you want Fidelity to use your Vanguard account. So anyways, just go ahead and press on connect just like so. Then it is going to open up the Vanguard website. And then from there, you're able to go ahead and log in using your Vanguard credentials. You can also use the QR code as well. But after you sign in, you want to give Fidelity permission in order to use your Vanguard account. And then afterwards, you're going to be good to go. However, it may ask you to confirm that it's actually you by sending a code to your connected phone number. So make sure to have your phone on standby and ready to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.